Okay, so here's a typical adjusting cylinder coming apart. So we'll show you what we do from start to finish here on this video, and hopefully it'll give you a little bit of a... So the adjusters all come off. Of course, we put all new adjusters on anyway, so now some get tighter than others. The boots come off, and of course the pistons. Now these pistons, depending on how tight they are, can be pretty firm, but hopefully they come out by hand. So we take the pistons out, take the adjusters out of them. Take out the spring. Same with the other one. Now, of course, the casting and whatnot doesn't matter to us because we throw those all out. We're going to use a brand new casting. Then the cups are, after the springs are taken off, then the cups come off. And it's exactly the same process on the 79 and 80. Of course, it's the same. A little different look because you got an extra piston and a little different design. But the process is the same, and that's what we're trying to show you. So once the cups are off, we would just, of course, if we were doing 50 or 100 of those, we'd repeat that process. So from here, the part's going to go into our washing area, so we'll show you what